Welcome to our guide on the best rice cookers for sushi. Discover top picks to perfect your sushi making at home. Check the description box for links to all mentioned products and more details. Stay tuned for expert tips and insights you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. At number 5 is the Tiger JBV A18U rice cooker. The Tiger JBV A18U rice cooker is a popular choice for home cooks who love making sushi. Its advanced MICM technology ensures perfectly cooked, fluffy rice every time. Ideal for sushi and a variety of other dishes. This versatile appliance offers multiple cooking functions beyond just white rice. MICM technology for consistent results. The MICM technology in the Tiger JBV A18U uses a microcomputer to precisely monitor and adjust the cooking process. This guarantees the rice comes out evenly cooked with an ideal texture and flavor, without any burnt or undercooked spots. Multiple cooking functions. In addition to white rice, this model can also handle brown rice, mixed rice, porridge, and more. The easy-to-use control panel makes it simple to prepare different rice types. Built-in food steamer. The Tiger JBV A18U also features a handy built-in steamer tray. This allows you to steam vegetables, fish, or other foods alongside the rice for complete meals. The steamer helps lock in nutrients and flavor. Why it's great. For sushi lovers or anyone who wants perfectly cooked rice, the Tiger JBV A18U is an excellent choice. Its MICM technology ensures consistently high-quality results that are ideal for sushi rolls, rice bowls, and beyond. The versatile functions and user-friendly design make this rice cooker a popular pick among. At number 4 is the Instant Pot Duo Electric Rice Cooker. For sushi chefs and home cooks who love making rice dishes, the Instant Pot Duo Electric Rice Cooker is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance. While it's not exclusively a rice cooker, its advanced features and functions make it a popular choice for preparing everything from sushi rice to risotto and beyond. 7 appliances in one. At its core, the Instant Pot Duo is a high-performance electric pressure cooker. But this remarkable device can also function as a rice cooker, slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, and more. This incredible 7-in-1 versatility allows you to use it for a wide variety of cooking tasks beyond just rice preparation. 14 one-touch cooking programs. The Instant Pot Duo comes with 14 pre-programmed cooking functions, including options for white rice, brown rice, risotto, and other rice varieties. These one-touch programs take the guesswork out of cooking, delivering perfect results with minimal effort. 3-ply bottom stainless steel pot. The inner cooking pot of the Instant Pot Duo is made of high-quality 3-ply stainless steel with a brushed finish. This durable construction ensures even heating for consistent cooking, and the pot is also easy to clean after use. Why it's great. While not exclusively a rice cooker, the Instant Pot's versatility and efficiency make it popular for sushi rice preparation. Its pressure cooking function can produce perfectly cooked rice quickly, ideal for busy sushi chefs. At number 3 at our list is the Zojirushi Induction Heating Rice Cooker. When only the best will do for your sushi rice, the Zojirushi Induction Heating Rice Cooker is the appliance of choice. This top-of-the-line rice cooker delivers exceptional results thanks to its advanced induction heating technology and specialized cooking functions. Induction heating technology. At the core of the Zojirushi is its innovative induction heating system. Using electromagnetic induction, it provides precise, even heat distribution for more accurate temperature control. This results in rice that is cooked to perfection every time. Multi-menu cooking functions. Beyond just white rice, the Zojirushi offers a wide range of specialized cooking functions. These include settings for brown rice, sushi rice, porridge, and more. No matter what type of rice dish you're preparing, this appliance has a pre-programmed menu option to ensure optimal results. Clear-coated stainless steel exterior. The exterior of the Zojirushi Induction Heating Rice Cooker is crafted from durable, clear-coated stainless steel. This not only gives the appliance a sleek, modern appearance, but also makes it easy to clean and maintain. The stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. Why it's great. For sushi enthusiasts, the Zojirushi Induction Heating Rice Cooker is simply unparalleled. Its precise induction heating technology allows it to produce the perfectly cooked, fluffy sushi rice that is essential for creating high-quality sushi rolls and other dishes. The specialized sushi rice setting takes the guesswork out of preparation, delivering consistent results time after time. At number 2 is the Aroma Housewares rice cooker. If you're a home sushi chef or just a busy cook looking to take the guesswork out of making perfect rice, the Aroma Housewares rice cooker is a versatile and convenient appliance that delivers reliable results. 10-cup capacity. One of the standout features of the Aroma Housewares rice cooker is its generous 10-cup capacity. This makes it ideal for preparing larger batches of sushi rice or other rice dishes to feed the whole family or entertain guests. The extra-large capacity ensures you can cook enough rice for all your needs. Multifunctional cooking options. In addition to its sizable capacity, the Aroma rice cooker also offers a variety of cooking functions beyond just standard white rice. Users can choose from settings for brown rice, steam, and even slow cook, expanding the appliance's versatility in the kitchen. This allows you to use it for a wide range of rice-based dishes and meals. Programmable 15-hour delay timer. Another convenient feature is the Aroma's programmable 15-hour delay timer. This allows you to have freshly cooked rice ready and waiting whenever you need it, without having to time the cooking process yourself. Simply set the timer in advance, and the rice cooker will automatically switch to warming mode when the cooking is complete. Why it's great. For sushi enthusiasts, the Aroma Housewares rice cooker is a game-changer. Its large 10-cup capacity makes it easy to prepare enough sushi rice for entertaining or feeding a crowd. And with the programmable timer, you can have perfectly cooked rice ready to go whenever you need it for rolling sushi or other rice-based dishes. At number 1 is the Zojirushi NS-TSC-10 rice cooker. The Zojirushi NS-TSC-10 rice cooker is a top-of-the-line appliance designed specifically for sushi enthusiasts and home chefs who demand the very best. Featuring advanced fuzzy logic technology and specialized cooking functions, this rice cooker delivers exceptional results every time. Microcomputerized fuzzy logic technology. At the core of the Zojirushi NS-TSC-10 is its innovative microcomputerized fuzzy logic technology. This sophisticated system automatically adjusts the cooking time, temperature, and heating patterns to achieve the ideal texture and consistency for the rice, ensuring perfectly cooked results. Multiple menu settings. In addition to its fuzzy logic capabilities, the Zojirushi NS-TSC-10 also offers a range of specialized cooking functions. These include settings for white rice, brown rice, and, most importantly for sushi lovers, a dedicated sushi rice option. This allows you to achieve the perfect stickiness and texture for sushi rolls and other rice-based dishes. Automatic keep warm and extended keep warm. To maintain the quality of the cooked rice, the Zojirushi NS-TSC-10 features automatic keep warm and extended keep warm functions. Once the rice is finished cooking, the appliance will automatically switch to the keep warm mode, maintaining the ideal serving temperature for up to 12 hours. Why it's great. For sushi enthusiasts, the Zojirushi NS-TSC-10 rice cooker is simply unparalleled. Its advanced fuzzy logic technology and dedicated sushi rice setting allow it to produce the perfectly cooked, fluffy sushi rice that is essential for creating high-quality sushi rolls and other dishes. Our recommendation: the Zojirushi NS-TSC-10 rice cooker as our best value option and the Zojirushi Induction heating rice cooker as the budget-friendly alternative. Choosing the best rice cooker for sushi involves considering factors like even heating, precise temperature control, and capacity. High-quality models ensure consistent, perfectly cooked sushi rice every time. Selecting the right cooker can elevate your sushi-making experience at home.